Good morning, Betty. Thanks for coming in. Can you start by telling me a bit about yourself?
Good morning. Sure. I'm an embedded systems engineer who enjoys building smart solutions with firmware. I once modified my father's rice cooker because he burned rice when getting too into a TV show. I added a temperature sensor and an STM32 controller to cut power if the temperature stayed above 108 degrees Celsius too long. I even added voice playback. "Dad, the rice is ready." He loved it.
That's clever. What's your usual approach when starting a project like that?
I always start by understanding the user scenario. Then I break it into modules. First, sensor input, like temperature or humidity. Second, a control unit, like ESP32. Third, output, and lastly possibly cloud or app integration. On the software side, I usually design a state machine first, then develop and test each component separately.
Have you worked on projects combining software and hardware?
Yes, I've used an ESP32 and a soil moisture sensor to build a smart plant watering system. It sends data to Firebase, and I developed a flat app that can trigger watering remotely and sends alerts like "Your plant is thirsty."
Let's say we give you a microcontroller you've never used before. What's your process?
I just start with a reference board and run a basic blind test to check GPIOS. Then I dig into the memory map, startup code, and available SDKs. If there's system support, I just test scheduling and interrupts. Tools like CubeMX, Plan4IO, or Zephyr help me scan food quickly.
How do you see AI's role in embedded development?
I think AI is a powerful assistant, not a replacement. I use ChatGPT and Copilot for quick code snippets or debugging help, especially during early stages. But for real-world reliability, like thermal drift or physical signal noise, human judgment still matters.
What would you say is your biggest strength?
I'm solution-driven and creative. I love turning small ideas like a rice cooker fix into working prototypes that improve everyday life.
And your biggest weakness?
I sometimes go too deep into details that don't matter. I will be learning to prioritize the bigger picture, especially in team projects.
If you joined us, how would you contribute?
I'd help their team build and debug faster, prototyping ideas into reliable hardware products. I like to think with my hands and build with purpose.
Great answer. Thanks for your time, Betty. We'll be in touch.
Thank you. I appreciate the opportunity.